just sitting there watching the clock, thinking it's like 1 o'clock and I could have earned $400 by now and be home. Worked for O'Brien's in the office as a planner. Paid well, but it was just a flexibility I miss really badly.
Sort of do my own thing, a bit more responsibility, you know? That's sort of what appealed to me.
So I've always worked for someone. I've never been my own boss. That's now driven me to find a new challenge and see where it's going to take me.
So I did think about doing it on my own, but then I thought about the marketing and all that. So again, Jim's come back into my mind because I had all that support. If I needed help, I could ring my franchisor and he would always ring back.
I wanted a better work-life balance, put my family in a better financial position for when we retire, and I feel that I'm that type of person that will be able to follow and make my territory successful.
Meeting a lot of people here, like-minded people that they want to run their own businesses, and you can see a lot of people who are a business owner already and they want to join to gyms.
They make it really easy, like all the stuff that you don't know about running a business, that they get you started with all that. That was a big thing, very thorough, and it's all run by people that have done exactly what you've done and done well at it. So they're definitely worth listening to.
So I learned a lot of things, and like customer service, accounting, bookkeeping, budgeting, marketing, advertising, networking. So it was really informative, and I learned a lot of things within 3 days. It was really good.
I would highly recommend it to anyone that's thinking of doing this. Every single trainer that I've spoken to has been very approachable, very knowledgeable. But at the end of the day, what I'm going to take out of this is that once I've built my business, those people that I've listened to have been part of my success story.
The coach has been really approachable, G's been really approachable, and you could learn a lot of things from them. They're happy to share their contact details. They're approachable, so you can call them anytime or email them if you got any questions, which I found really nice.
The scariest thing for me was making the choice to do it. Once I made that decision, then you sort of put all your chips in, you got to do it. Don't doubt yourself, just give it a go. You're definitely capable of it. Anyone is. It's not as hard as you think it is.
It's definitely worth it. It's not really a lot of money to lay out for what you get back. Definitely worth it. You make it up in a couple of years easy.